Life on the scene, you know. The man them take on the guardsman them just a little while out of my place, Albion St. Thomas. Just a little while man them make off of the brings. Low M16, low 9mm, low knockings just a little while again out of my side. Man, low and shelling again.
Watch it. Watch it. Yo, MPF, man, they lick it at the gas station at Albion. Mad move. Watch your MPF. Watch your MPF. Mad knockings. Buckler, MPF. Watch it. Watch your MPF. Watch your MPF, bad man. The man, them strike one more time. Man, them strike one more time, MPF. Watch it. Sick Lord. Oh, knockings, MPF. Watch it. Watch spare the shell. Spare the shell. Yes.
Boy, group members look here. Yeah man, they rob bring some yellows here. See it there? One security get shot, then got him, don't know if I'm dead. Yeah man, so see it there? Yellows gas station. Then come in a middle day here. Right now, nothing normal right now, I go on in a place here. We don't know, and go with him, we don't know, which one get shot.
See what special is better. I'm gonna run off on the van again, better. Man, run on back on the van again.
Man, read 9 going at the truck. One with the rifle go and stop. One, 2, man. How did them play, man? The response time everything slow.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!